In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an admin on Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started by logging into your Monday.com account. Open your web browser and sign in to your account to reach your main dashboard. Once you're logged in, the dashboard will be your hub for all activities within your workspace. Next, you need to open the Profile menu. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see either your profile picture or your initials. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, navigate to the Administration option. This is where you'll manage the back-end settings for your workspace. It gives you control over various aspects, including user roles and permissions, so it's important that we access this section to make the necessary changes. Now let's access User Management. Inside the Administration panel, look for and click on the Users option, typically found in the left-hand sidebar. Once you do this, a list of every member in your workspace will be displayed. This list includes everyone who has access to your Monday.com workspace, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if you haven't before. Next, you'll need to locate the specific team member that you wish to promote to an admin role. Take your time to scroll through the list. If your workspace has many members, you can also use the search function to quickly find the person you're looking for. Once you've found the right person, it's time to change their role. Look for the box next to their name that displays their current role, which could say something like Member. Click on this box and a drop-down menu will open up. In this drop-down menu, you'll see a list of available roles. Make sure to select Admin from this list. When you click on Admin, this elevates their role and grants them additional permissions, allowing them to manage sensitive areas of the workspace. It's important to note that the change takes effect immediately without requiring any secondary confirmation. This means that once you click Admin, the team member will have their new permissions right away. Because they now have access to sensitive information such as billing and user management, it's highly recommended that you notify the team member about the change. You might want to reach out to them via a quick message or in a team meeting to explain their new responsibilities and the new level of access they've gained. And that's it. You've successfully changed the admin on Monday.com. Remember, keeping your workspace management organized is key to collaboration and effective project management. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Monday.com effectively. Thank you for watching.